Here's a demonstration. Put hands around his chest, 2 fingers for the back of his head, thumbs on the front, and then you spin him around slowly, slowly. Then you do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. And then you can go slowly the other way. Don't go too fast so you don't freak him out. Oh, there we go. There's the magic. And then to mix it up a little bit, oop, back and forth, and back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Oh, do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Hey, back and forth, and back and forth. You know what? He really does have Anthony's eyes. They're big and buggy.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. 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 A little aerobics exercise. Okay, now I'm going to pick him up.
He's got the hiccups, yeah.
I'm going to pick him up and pat his back. There's mommy pat. Oh, there you go. Oh.
Give me.
Mm.